Are you struggling with high blood sugar and want natural ways to control it? Do you know that the food on your plate can change your sugar levels within hours? Imagine eating tasty foods that keep your energy steady and protect you from diabetes problems. Sounds amazing, right? Stay with me, because in this video, I will share the top 5 foods to control diabetes and balance sugar levels. These foods are simple, powerful, and backed by science. And trust me, number 1 will surprise you. Point 1. Leafy green vegetables. Let's begin with the healthiest choice for balancing blood sugar: leafy green vegetables. Spinach, kale, and lettuce are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They have almost no digestible carbs, so they don't spike blood sugar after eating. Instead, they keep sugar steady and support insulin function naturally. Here's a hook for you. Did you know 1 cup of spinach has only 7 calories? Yet, it gives you magnesium, vitamin C, and antioxidants that lower inflammation. Magnesium is very important for people with diabetes. It helps the body's cells respond better to insulin. This means sugar gets into your cells instead of staying in your blood. Another reason leafy greens are great is their fiber content. Fiber slows digestion and makes sugar enter the blood gradually. That's why eating salad with meals can prevent sudden sugar spikes. You can eat them raw in salads, cooked in soups, or blended into smoothies. Even 1 serving daily can make a real difference in blood sugar balance. So, the next time you're planning lunch, don't skip the greens. Your blood sugar will thank you. Point 2. Whole grains. Now, let's talk about a food group that many people fear: grains. Not all grains are bad for diabetes. In fact, whole grains can actually help manage blood sugar. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa are packed with fiber and nutrients. The fiber slows the release of sugar into the blood. This prevents the sugar roller coaster that makes you feel tired after meals. Here's something shocking. Studies show people who eat whole grains daily have a 20 to 30% lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. That's huge. Whole grains also have important nutrients like magnesium, iron, and B vitamins. These nutrients improve metabolism and help the body use insulin properly. The best part is, whole grains keep you full for a longer time. This reduces unhealthy snacking and helps with weight management. Try replacing white bread with whole grain bread, or swap white rice for brown rice. Even small changes can create big results over time. So, if you want steady sugar and steady energy, whole grains should be on your plate. Point 3. Fatty fish. Now, here comes a food that surprises many people: fatty fish. Fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are not just good for the heart. They also protect people with diabetes from dangerous complications. You see, diabetes increases the risk of heart disease. But omega-3 fats lower triglycerides, reduce inflammation, and improve artery health. This is like giving your heart a natural shield. But that's not all. Fatty fish is also a great source of protein. Protein slows digestion and prevents sugar spikes after meals. It also helps with weight control, which is very important for diabetes. Here's an interesting hook: eating fatty fish twice a week can lower the risk of heart attack by up to 36%. That's powerful protection from just food. If you don't like fish, you can try plant-based options like flax seeds, chia seeds, or walnuts. They also contain omega-3 fats, though in smaller amounts. So, make fatty fish or healthy seeds a regular part of your meals. Your blood sugar and heart will both thank you. Point 4. Beans and lentils. Now let's move to one of the most powerful foods for diabetes: beans and lentils. They are affordable, delicious, and packed with nutrition. But the real magic lies in their fiber and protein. Beans and lentils have a special type of fiber called soluble fiber. This fiber forms a gel in the stomach and slows sugar absorption. This means your blood sugar rises slowly and stays stable longer. Here's a fun fact. Just 1 cup of lentils provides 15 grams of fiber. That's more than half the daily need. This makes beans and lentils excellent for managing diabetes naturally. Another reason they are powerful is their protein content. Protein helps you feel full, reduces cravings, and prevents overeating. This makes it easier to control weight and avoid blood sugar spikes. And the best part? Beans and lentils are versatile. You can add them to soups, stews, salads, or even make patties. They absorb flavors well, making them enjoyable in many recipes. So, if you want tasty food that balances sugar and keeps you healthy, beans and lentils are a perfect choice. Point 5. Berries. Now we reach the final and sweetest food on our list, berries. Yes, you heard it right. Fruits can be good for diabetes. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants and fiber. They have natural sweetness, but their sugar is released slowly into the blood. This makes them safer than many other fruits for people with diabetes. Here's the hook. Studies show eating berries regularly improves insulin sensitivity. That means your body uses insulin better, lowering blood sugar naturally. Berries are also packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese. These nutrients fight inflammation and protect against heart disease. Plus, their antioxidants protect your eyes, nerves, and kidneys from damage. This is important because diabetes often harms these organs over time. The best part is, berries can be enjoyed in many ways. You can eat them fresh, add them to yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or sprinkle them on oatmeal. They add taste, color, and powerful health benefits. So, instead of reaching for sugary desserts, try a bowl of fresh berries. Your taste buds and blood sugar will both be happy. Final thoughts. So there you have it. The top 5 foods to control diabetes and balance sugar levels naturally. Leafy greens, whole grains, fatty fish, beans and lentils, and berries. Simple foods with powerful effects on your blood sugar and health. Now I want to ask you, which one of these foods do you eat most often? Is it greens, grains, or maybe berries? Share your answer in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to big results in your health. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.